Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jean and I'm going to quickly show you how to resize your artboard in Adobe Illustrator iPad version. So first of all, I'm going to open up an artboard in the app. To change your artboard size, click the Artboard tool. You can then select one of the points of your artboard and drag it around to resize. You can increase both the width and the length to get what you want. To create a new sized artboard, click on the Artboard tool and select one of the presets. I'm going to go for the A4 preset and you can see it's automatically on my canvas. You can then also change the artboard name by double clicking Artboard 1 and then you can enter in whatever name you want. I'm just entering first artboard. And then once you've entered your name, you click on OK. And you do the same for Artboard 2 as well. Enter the name and then select OK. So I hope that was helpful, guys. If you need help with anything else, just drop me a comment and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See ya!